Up, 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 up. Yeah, don't shake. Just keep it and reach up yourself. When you are turning, you're losing the level of your passe. You start turn very well and doing shaking the leg. Keep it up. Just up. Up, 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 up. Yeah, don't shake. Just keep it and reach up yourself. Yes, yes. Don't stay too much in this side before you take your pirouette. Stay on your super side. Stay there. And many people makes mistake. They're doing in the preparation of plié doing this. No. This is the opposite side. You have to turn this way. Why are you turning that way? You need to stay. Keep the square. Just open and go. Don't twist. You see? Yes. That's right. That's right. Because you turn this way. Don't twist it. Opposite side. Just open. Keep your square. That's right. Left side, please.